So from this, I'm hoping to turn it into a community notice board. I started off by removing some of the slats of wood, which I'm going to put to the side and keep for making a shelf or something like that at a later point. But for now, the idea is that we're going to have a notice board here, we're going to build a roof here, we're going to have a shelf here for books, and then space at the bottom for swapping vegetables and other things that maybe don't need to stay as dry. So to put the box together, which is where the vegetables are going to be stored and anything else, I pre-cut these blocks and I'm going to slot them here, Blue Peter style, and then there's one on the end. And then I cut these blocks down from some spare wood that we had lying around. I'm going to put them in each corner. And then they're going to act as something to secure to when I drill in through here and here.